Welcome to Master of Many, your go-to channel for exploring the intricacies of the human experience. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has fascinated and puzzled humanity for centuries. Why are humans so driven by sexual desire? Let's unpack this from psychological, philosophical, historical, and cultural perspectives. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. First, let's talk biology. Sexual desire is a fundamental aspect of our survival instinct, deeply embedded in our brains. The hypothalamus, a small but powerful part of the brain, plays a key role in regulating sexual behavior. Hormones like testosterone and estrogen influence our libido, making sex not just a physical act, but a powerful biological drive. This drive ensures the continuation of our species. Without it, the human race would cease to exist. But it's not just humans. Most animals exhibit sexual behaviors driven by the same biological mechanisms. So, in many ways, our sexual desires are simply a part of the natural order of life. From a psychological standpoint, sexual desire is more than just biology. It's intertwined with our mental and emotional states. Sigmund Freud famously argued that sexual desire, or libido, is the primary driving force behind much of human behavior. While some of his ideas have been criticized, the essence remains that sexual desire is deeply linked to our psychological well-being. Modern psychology suggests that sexual desires are not only about physical satisfaction, but also about emotional connection, self-esteem, and identity. Our desires can be shaped by past experiences, cultural norms, and personal insecurities. Understanding this can help us navigate the complex emotions associated with sexuality. Philosophers have long pondered the nature of sexual desire. Plato viewed it as a distraction from higher thinking, something that must be controlled. On the other hand, existentialists like Jean-Paul Sartre saw sexual desire as an essential part of human freedom and identity. Michel Foucault went even further, arguing that our sexual desires are shaped by societal power structures and are a form of expression within those constraints. In essence, philosophers have recognized that sexual desire is not just a personal experience, but also a reflection of broader existential questions about freedom, identity, and power. Throughout history, human sexual desire has been both celebrated and suppressed. In ancient Rome and Greece, sexuality was more openly discussed and expressed. However, with the rise of certain religious and cultural norms, particularly in the Middle Ages, sexual desire became something to be controlled and even shamed. Today, different cultures have vastly different attitudes towards sex. In some societies, it's openly celebrated, while in others, it remains a taboo subject. These cultural influences shape our individual and collective understanding of sexual desire, often dictating what is considered acceptable or deviant. Looking ahead, the future of sexual desire is likely to be shaped by technology and changing social norms. As we enter an age of AI and virtual reality, new forms of sexual expression are emerging. The rise of online platforms has already transformed how we engage with our desires, making them more accessible yet also more complex. Will technology bring us closer to fulfilling our desires, or will it create new challenges and ethical dilemmas? The future of sexual desire will be a fascinating interplay between biology, technology, and evolving cultural values. So, why are humans so driven by sexual desire? It's a complex mix of biology, psychology, philosophy, history, and culture. Understanding this can help us navigate our own desires and how they fit into the broader human experience. If you found this exploration insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Master of Many for more deep dives into the mysteries of life. Until next time, stay curious.